Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Jeep Patriot and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power door locks are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. If your power door locks are, for example, working on a key fob and not working here, then the problem will not be the fuse. So this will only apply actually if both the key fob and these buttons here do not work. Okay, so the fuse you want to check is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, very easy accessible. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 10, which is a yellow 20 amp fuse located right here on top of the fuse box. Now if this fuse is good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards power door switches, possible wiring issue or a failed door actuator. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.